Happy Friday, YouTube. I wanted to make this video before I finish my week. And, over the course of the months, a lot of people have been asking me very specific questions on how to get their life insurance license in the state that they live in. So I figured I'd make this video and explain to you guys step by step what it takes. Now, in the state of California, you must complete an insurance pre-licensing course. And in every state, you must do this. Now, for California, that consists of 20 hours of life insurance pre-licensing education. You also got to complete 12 hours of ethics training to satisfy the state of California's 32-hour pre-licensing education requirements. 32 hours. So you must do that. And once you satisfy that, they'll give you a certificate. Then you'll go and do fingerprints. Then pass your state exam. And once you do all of that and you pass, you do the fingerprints, you do the 32 hours of pre-licensing education, you can apply for a license in the state that you live in. Now, unfortunately, if you have a criminal background, felonies in your background, regardless of how long ago they happened, they won't let you apply for a license. Now, I will recommend that you call the state that you live in, ask them for details. Every state's different. They govern their state differently, so definitely call. But I know in the state of California, there are 0 felonies in your background. Now, the next question I get asked is, how much does this cost exactly? Well, first off, you got to pay for the insurance pre-licensing courses. And with my company, XL Solutions, if you go on the website right now, it's $205 for the life-only course. Once you do that, you got to pay for the California fingerprint-based and background check fee, which is approximately $59. Then you got to pay a processing fee of $17, plus an FBI processing fee of $32, plus the Department of Justice processing fee of $10. So you got to pay for all those fees. On top of that, you got to pay $188 in the state of California for a filing fee. And the day that you do your exam, you got to pay $55 for that exam, for a grand total of about $566. Now, if you use my promo code of VirtualFE, when you pay for your pre-licensing courses, it will drop it from $205 to $55 for those states. And on the states that is charging $200, you'll see $49.99, a massive discount on the pre-licensing course. Now, regardless of how much that is, it's really not that much for the opportunity to sell insurance and make a great living helping folk with insurance. In fact, the other day I read a study that said that 83% of people that purchase insurance, they did it so that they can pay for a funeral expense or a final expense when they pass away. And the last question is, how long does it take for the state to issue my license? Well, in the state of California, it's going to take roughly around 4 weeks from the moment in time you go through the whole process to the time you receive your license number, and then you can start selling. So I hope this helped you guys understand exactly what it is that it takes to get your license. And I welcome any of you to do it. If you go to the content section, you'll be able to go to the website, xlsolutions.com. And again, sign up for life only, a promo code VirtualFE. And once you get your life insurance license, call me up and I'll be more than happy to show you what we do selling insurance over the telephone, which is final expense. Again, 83% of people that purchased insurance in this survey did it to cover a funeral expense. Again, when I started this 18 years ago, it was a lot more expensive then than it is now. And the reason being is that there's a major demand for insurance agents to enter in our space because of the aging market that needs our services. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope this helped you, and see you guys at the top. Peace.